Let us first recap algebraic formula before we look at harder questions. Firstly, a formula is an equation connecting two or more variables. The subject of the formula is a single variable that appears on the left-hand side of the formula. The subject of the formula can be changed using algebraic manipulations, and the value of a variable in a formula can be found by substitution. We will learn more about this in the following slides. Here's an example. Given that y equals 3 over a minus 2b, find the value of a when y equals 2 and b equals 1. Let's take a look at the two different methods we can use to solve this question. Method 1. We first start off by substituting y equals 2 and b equals 1 into the formula to obtain 2 equals 3 over a minus 2 times 1. Since minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, we get 2 equals 3 over a minus 2. We then multiply both the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation by a minus 2 in order to obtain 2 times a minus 2 equals 3. Then we divide both sides by 2 to get a minus 2 equals 3 over 2. And then a equals 3 over 2 plus 2, and through addition, we get the final answer to be 3.5. Here's an alternative method to the same question. We first change the subject of the formula to a, where we get a equals 3 over y plus 2b. Then we substitute y equals 2 and b equals 1 into the formula to get the value of a to be 3.5. Thank you.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.